So we have to find the value of x such that it satisfies the following condition. So we have a 3-digit number x to y. When it is multiplied with y, it should give us the value 212y. So we have to first of all solve for y. So if we will look at this result y, we can see that when it is multiplied with itself, it is resulting in the same digit y. So we have to find a number between 1 to 9. When 1 is multiplied with itself, then it is giving us 1. So there are three possibilities in this case. Y may be equal to 1, or y may be equal to 5, or y may be equal to 6. Because in all these cases, we have the same number in the unit place. Now if y is equal to 1, we should have x to y. In place of y, we can write 1. When it is multiplied with 1, it should give us the same result, x to 1. It is a 3-digit number, but in the answer we have 4-digit number. That is why y is equal to 1 cannot be the case. That is why we will discard this possibility. Now let us take y is equal to 5. Then we have x to 5. When it is multiplied with 5, 5 times 5 is 25, and we can carry over 2. We can write 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So we can write 2 and 1 here, and 5 times x is 5x plus 1. So 5x plus 1. So y is equal to 5 may give us the solution for x. So if y is equal to 5 is the solution, then that has to be equal to, the result has to be equal to 212y, and y is equal to 5 here. We can write the value of this number as 5x plus 1 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 5. That has to be equal to, since it is a 4-digit number, we can write 2 into 1000 plus 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus y, and y is equal to 5, and that is why we can write 5 here. We can write an equation 500x plus 100 plus 20 plus 5, that has to be equal to 2000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. So if you will now look at this equation, then we can see 100, 20 and 5 are present on either side of the equation, and that is why we can cancel out these numbers. We can write 500x has to be equal to 2000, and that is why we can write x is equal to 2000 divided by 500, and that has to be equal to 4. And so the answer is going to be x is equal to 4. That is the final solution to our given problem. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.